the onion boil. If you haven't heard of it, it is trending all over Instagram and TikTok. Being an onion farm, we clearly needed to go ahead and give it a try. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and cut our onion, and then peel this first layer off right here. Okay, we're hollowing out the inside. Okay, so we're gonna go right here. We're going to core out this middle piece, but leave the bottom section. We want it to be a little pool right there. So, okay, so we're gonna cut off, I would say probably 1/2 inch at the end of a piece of butter. I'm going to put that in there. I still have room, so I'm gonna cut another 1/2 inch piece. And I'm gonna stick that in there. And then I'm gonna do a piece on top. Fit as much butter as you can. I'm gonna do one little more piece on top. So literally fill that hole full of butter. I'm gonna take another probably inch off the stick of butter and put it in a separate bowl. This we need to warm up. We want to use this right before we put the onion in the oven. So go ahead and heat this up for about 30 seconds in the microwave. While that's melting, I'm gonna get a piece of foil and go ahead and place my onion on that piece of foil. This is what we're going to bake it in. So all of the seasonings, juice from the butter, we wanna keep that safe in this little foil pocket. Okay, this is where you can get creative with what you're putting on top. We have chosen some Tony Chachere's seasoning. So I'm gonna pour some of that on, sprinkle some. Okay, we're gonna be very generous here. That goes on there. We're gonna do some garlic powder. We're going to do some onion powder. Onion powder on an onion. Seems a bit silly, but that's what they're saying. Paprika. We're gonna do some salt and pepper. Okay, now we're gonna take our little bowl of melted butter and add the same seasonings in there. So I'm gonna go back through all of them again. We're just eyeing this. You don't have to have perfect measurements. That, salt and pepper. And so we're gonna pour this little mixture right on top of this onion. Ooh, this looks good. Okay, we're gonna take this guy. We're going to fold up the foil on each side to make a little foil pocket. $3.75. Here we go. We're gonna keep this in here for about 45 minutes. Oh my. I wish you guys could smell this. It is so good. It's time to test it. So good. So good.